So you're doing really good with the decompression.
Yes.
Is really making a big difference for you.
Yeah.
Awesome. So not even hardly a flare up in a while.
Not too bad. The coughing is
Has
making
aggravated
it. Yeah,
it.
but other than that, I've been fine.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's just say, you know, when you came in, you were at 10, as far as 10 being the worst ever. What do you think you are now?
Probably 4.
Man, that's awesome. Okay. All right. Well, let's check everything. I think it's gonna face down for me here. How's that feeling in there?
Just a little bit tender.
Are you right here
Yeah.
specifically?
Yeah.
Those hips are down here. Yeah, the hips are a little bit up. Okay. We're gonna get the hips all lined up. You glad you did it, the decompression program?
Yes, I am.
Good thing is too is it's gonna be fixed once we're done with it. You know, it's not gonna be a problem for you.
Yeah.
Okay, almost there. Perfect. Feet are back again here. I bet you're gonna be tight here from coughing, aren't you?
Yeah.
Let's do sit up from here. Do the bear hug adjustment up there.
Ready to go to the edge.
No, you're fine. You're wherever I want you. Go ahead and just put your arms like that. Tuck your chin. Take a deep breath in. Blow it all the way out. Come on back. Keep that chin tucked for me here. Good. Gotcha. That was tight with it.
Yeah.
All right, let's get your neck adjusted. Let's go on your back. You really needed that.
Yes.
It's a little tight. Is that tender there at all?
A little
A
bit.
little bit, yeah. Lift your chin. Gotcha. One more here, Sammy. There you go. Awesome. All right, let me help you up. Yeah, that was good.